Okay, there we go. Your stock pick, Nedbank. All right.
Yes. So yes, I mean the market was very underwhelmed with their pre-close update, going to kind of flat earnings. I mean, we were expecting sort of up 2 or 3, so it was a bit of a miss. But Nedbank's in this difficult situation where they've got interest rates coming down, so that's reducing their net interest margin at the top line. And we haven't really seen the South African demand for credit come through yet. So they're in this kind of limbo period where revenue's a bit more difficult to come by and the growth is not coming yet. But I do think that the demand for credit will return. I think as interest rates, we'll get hopefully another 25 basis point cut will help. We've got lower oil prices, we've got low inflation. It's good for the consumer. Makes it a bit easier to afford debt, to pay down your debt. So I think that will still come through. And also, Nedbank sits on quite a lot of excess capital. So on my calculation, they have 9 billion rand, which they can do something with. They could either use it for share buybacks if the share price goes lower, or they could do a special dividend, or they might actually look at some other inorganic growth opportunity. So I think that that's an added bonus which you get from Nedbank. I do think that the earnings will return to about a 5% year growth rate, and then they pay a fantastic dividend of about 8%. So I think there's a lot of good things going for it, and if the demand for credit does come through, I think Nedbank will do well.
All right, nice. Where are you seeing value today, Grant?
I'm looking at Thermo Fisher Scientific. So it's a life sciences and diagnostics business. They do laboratory services and products. And it's been around a long time. It's a 70, 80-year-old company. It's high quality, but it's been under a lot of pressure the last 12 months, given all the noise in the US politics and around the healthcare system. And I think it's actually, in tariffs as well. So I think it's presented an opportunity to get into what has historically been a quality business over a long period of time. And so you're getting it at the low end of its 10-year valuation range. And earnings are under pressure this year, but I think that's the opportunity to buy it at an attractive multiple. And so that's my pick. I think with the 2-3 year view, you're going to do very nicely, or even longer. I think it's one of those sort of put under the pillow stocks. Thermo Fisher Scientific.
Well, let's go lay on our pillows at this point, Grant. Thank you so much for your time, gents, and for your analysis. Really, really appreciated. That is all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guests, Mark du Toit from Oystercatcher Investments and Grant Nader from Benguela Global Fund Managers. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.